Alright, as I said in the previous video, we do not actually like move from one place to another. We just fix it on this, right? If we just rotate viewpoint, we just focus on this, which is kind of okay. But what about I want to go somewhere else, right? So what about I want to see this, right? I rotate, I can only see the edges of this camera, so we can use pan, and I know you may tend to use this icon, right? You can click and drag, for example, for pan, or for zoom and for pan, but I almost never use it, right? I almost always use the shortcut because that's the most efficient and professional way of doing this. So what I'm going to do is use your middle mouse wheel, but also holding the shift. So shift and click the middle of the mouse and click and drag so we can nicely pan it here. Okay, so we can actually see this camera, and it's at our like a focus point. It's not like a focus point, but the area of interest. It's just I prefer to just focus everything onto the center of the screen, so I know what I'm working. So I can then rotate, right? I can then zoom in and out, okay, and then rotate, and then you know what? If I want to pan again, holding shift, holding the center wheel of the mouse, and click and drag. So I can view this camera from a different angle. And then, of course, combine the previous technique, we can zoom in, zoom out by scrolling the center mouse wheel, and then you can get a nice look at this. Oh my gosh, it looks pretty interesting, right? Pretty nice view. So yeah, holding shift and also click and hold the center wheel of your mouse. That's how you pan. And of course, you can always do this, but don't do this. Don't do this. Don't just click and drag. Of course you can, but make you a little bit unprofessional. But also, it do require you to I can actually do this anyway. My hand is always at the keyboard, right? I can always do this, right? I can always do this at anywhere as long as my pointer is at the viewport. But here I have to like intentionally go there and click and then drag. So I prefer to use a shortcut key, but it is good to know there is an icon here. Okay, and you can also click and drag the icon. And by the way, if you click and drag, you use your primary key. You move here until you can see this, and click and drag. We drag, we move forward, right? Move up. You zoom in. You move down, zoom out. If you pan, you click, and you can pan anywhere, right? You can pan up, down, left, or right. Okay, so yeah, that's basically how I pan. If you're holding shift, you want to pan. Holding center of the mouse, left and right, up and down, the same direction. Okay.